Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing Behavior Exchange ICO BEX. Now, what is this all about? As you know, when you go online, you are browsing different information, advert messages that you don't need come up, and most times can be annoying. Now, what if you be able, when you browse, you only get the information you need? When you, maybe you as a man, you are browsing on the internet, and the information that comes to you are information that is tailored towards your need, like buying the new shoe, different information that concern your life. So now, BEX Exchange or Behavior Exchange, what they do is they get the information about you, your data, what you want, what you don't want, and most of the websites you go to, which are linked to the Behavior Exchange, they will be able to give you the right messages you need, the right adverts that you need, and all your data is safe. It saves us a lot of time and a lot of annoying messages. And this ICO is a really unique platform. And let's go through it one after another. And you can see relevant content is annoying and a complete waste of time, right? Wouldn't it be better to see the content and offers that truly match your interests and personality? With your consent, we will follow what you read and how you behave to determine your profile. You benefit by getting the content you're interested in, and you'll be rewarded with BEX tokens. BEX tokens will be enable you to buy products and services from the companies and the network other favorable conditions. And you can get them on Telegram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Steemit, on LinkedIn, on Medium, and on Reddit. And the white paper is available in different languages, in French, in Russian, in English, and you can read it. Now, let's go down. And how the company is involved, each visitors and different websites also involved easier. So this is the roadmap. In 2014, they said the development of content exchange network, and you can see one after another. And October 2018, they entered the B2C market. Public sale of BEX token will begin, which is beginning on November. End of ICO, then it has the growth of the economy. Then in 2019, they're going to have a global expansion. Marijan Jurenex, co-founder and CEO. Ojana Jurenex, co-founder and special supervisor. Peter Kresnik, director of sales, and one after another you can find the team members here. See, this is huge. And the advisors, you can find them here. This their partner is Solo Loved and LDJ Capital. And the media, what the media is saying about them. Now, they are based in Malta. This is the Medium. You can find them here on Medium. You can read articles about them. And the white paper, actually 6-page white paper, and I encourage you as I always do, go through the white paper, read it, and know more about this project. You can see it, this project, find out about it. Now let's go down. 4,930 members on their Telegram, and let's see the ICO bench 4.2. The token is best, as you know, 10 cents. The platform is Ethereum. It's Ethereum, and you need to get whitelisted. So I believe Behavior Exchange is a unique project, and I think if the team member work hard and get to the promise, it's going to be a nice project. So I'm dropping the link of this down in the description box, so click on it and sign up for this ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly on my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence and make your own decision. And until next time I come your way, thank you.